stylish hat pattern for the girls. This one I just knitted a single chain and I'm using the hairpin. So how we will see how this one we go through where we start increasing the stitches. So this is the last one from where we start increasing the stitches. Here we will put under the double crochet, front side double crochet, then we go with the same this one and again in here, and we go round all the way till the end and finish like that. And how we are fixing the beanie. This one here is we have to go through here. So I will finish the whole round like that. Here to make a knot. Done like that. Now we will fix the flowers. Fixing the flowers here. You can see here. So this flower looks like that. So beautiful. And this one gonna fit like that. Two more small flowers I will fix on the sides here with this needle. four sides we have to make a just fix with the needle like that, and then bring to that side. So we're gonna fix the same like that in this side here. So this is the finished product. Two flowers here, small one and small one and one big one. The pattern for this beanie is on my channel, and so beautiful stylish hat for the girls. This one bit smaller size than the adult size, so beautiful. Thanks for watching. Have a look. This one is adult size beanie, stylish hat for the adult size. This one, and this one is the young girl size. So beautiful.